Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at unusual machines, and yeah, it sounds more like something we're actually looking at than a name, but anyway, this is a request that one of the followers made, and just a reminder, anyone can make requests for videos and I will very likely cover them, especially if there is a setup to be followed on the chart. But yeah, in this case we are tracking a diagonal pattern to the upside with a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave that bottomed here, not at the low in this area. I am looking at this fourth wave and thinking that we had an A, B, C with a truncation in the fifth wave of the C wave. And now we are looking at the fifth wave to the upside, where we are tracking an ABC pattern that would complete our first 5-wave move to the upside. Now, we already have what could easily be counted as a 5-wave move. And in this case, it would be in a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4, and the fifth wave. I could also just as easily, same probability, count it as an A, B, C, and then have this be an A wave. And to be honest, it is an A wave anyway. It's just that in that case, the probabilities we would expect to find support in the green support zone, the small green support zone, would be slightly smaller. But regardless of that, we are tracking a diagonal, and the way I see it, this correction that started here could be counted in two ways. Firstly, we could even assume that the fifth wave topped here, although didn't push much higher. I don't necessarily like that too much, but yeah, in any case, we could be looking at an A, B, C, and then the correction in this case would be actually complete with the ABC the C wave reaching the 100. Oh, I'm rambling a bit. I apologize for that. 100% extension at the $8.70 level, and I will mark that on the chart as the white scenario for now. Alternatively, I do have the idea that we maybe had an A wave down here, B wave up, and now we are still in the C wave, which needs to be a 5-wave move, and I will mark this as the yellow scenario. And in this case, I can even add a micro count where realistically we could have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the fourth, and another fifth. But very much possibly, I could even see it as a 1, a 2, a 3 wave that ends here, a fourth, and the fifth. And then we would only need the 4-5 pattern to actually complete this interpretation. The third wave would have probably reached far past the necessary requirements for a third wave, in this case 138.2% extension level. And yeah, both of them are likely scenarios. I wouldn't necessarily say it's one of them is much more probable than the other, but the idea is we at the moment are in the green support zone between $8.95 down to around $5.87. So if you actually really want to enter this trade setup, you may not get another opportunity, at least not in the support zone. And while there is the risk that we go directly lower and maybe reset the wave 4, we may get a reset of this wave 4. Okay, we didn't even max the support zone down to $3.92. But in my opinion, you can wait for another fourth and another fifth, but there is no guarantee we will actually get more downside on this chart, and we may already push directly to the upside and either make a larger A wave, so it could be an A, B, C within the A wave, and then we get a B wave and the larger C wave to the upside. Or we could complete it in one go and complete this fifth wave with the next move to the upside in the wave C. And yep, there is quite a lot of profit to be had in this case, quite a lot of potential, and it's basically almost as good as a regular 1-2 setup. It's just that the structure is not the most reliable, that's all. But for now, that's it. These are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.